Disable power saving for Wi-Fi adapter. Press Win plus X, click Device Manager. Expand network adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Reset network settings. Open Settings, go to Network Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Click Reset now, restart your PC. 3. Update or reinstall Wi-Fi driver. Press Win plus X, choose Device Manager. Expand network adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click Update driver. Choose Search automatically or uninstall and restart to reinstall it. 4. Turn off random hardware Mac. Go to Settings, Network, Internet, Wi-Fi. Click on your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll to Random hardware addresses. Set it to off. 5. Run Network Troubleshooter. Open Settings, System Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Click Run next to Network Adapter. 6. Check Wi-Fi Auto Disconnect settings. Some Wi-Fi adapters disconnect automatically when signal is weak. In Device Manager Wi-Fi Adapter Advanced tab, look for settings like Roaming Aggressiveness set to lowest. Preferred band set to auto. 7. Disable IPv6 optional fix. Press Win plus R, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click your Wi-Fi connection, click Properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6. Click OK. Disable WLAN Auto-config service temporary reset. Press Win plus R, type services.msc and press Enter. Find WLAN Auto-config. Right-click, select Restart. Also, double-click it, set Startup type to Automatic. No. Set static IP address. Sometimes DHCP causes instability. Press Win plus R, type ncpa.cpl, Enter. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, click Properties. Choose Use the following IP address. IP 192.168.1.100. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. DNS 8.8.8.8 अगस्त 2004. 4. Click OK. 10. Disable Wi-Fi Sense. Wi-Fi Sense may auto switch networks. Go to Settings, Network, Internet, Wi-Fi, manage known networks. Turn off. Connect open hotspots. Connect suggested networks. 11. Use Google DNS for better stability. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Click on your Wi-Fi, click Properties. Select IPv4 properties. Use the DNS manually. Preferred 8.8.8.8. Alternate 8.8.4.4.